Now that we've configured the service on the remote server, we can go ahead and try and run it. So to run our service, we're going to type the following command. So it's available inside the helper scripts that we created. So the helpers document that we provide in the resources of the video, you could just copy and paste the command there, or you can type it out with me. So we're going to type docker compose -f docker compose deployed or YAML up and then -d. And this sets it in the daemon mode. So basically it means that it will be running in the background. It won't run in the foreground. And we should see if this works in a moment. So first it's going to clone any of the Docker images that are needed. And then it's going to build our Docker image locally. And then it should run our service. Okay, so you can see that it seemed to have started our service successfully. So what we can do now is we can open up our console, and you're going to copy the public IPv4 DNS that you would have set in your allowed hosts. And let's go and see if this runs. So we should, in theory, be able to connect to it. Yes, so this is what we would expect and not found, because we don't have anything configured at the root of the resource here. So if we just do /admin, you should see the admin page load. So this loads the admin page. If we go back to the terminal and we type docker compose -f docker compose deployed or YAML, and we type run rm app sh-c python manage.py create super user, this should create a new super user for us. So I'm going to give it the email admin@example.com. And then the password, I'm going to give it a password. Okay, created successfully. Admin@example.com. And then enter the password. And you can see that I can log into the AWS admin for the server that we've deployed. So our server is now available on the public internet at the domain name that we added here. If you want to view the logs of the server, you can type docker compose -f and then the name of the Docker Compose file, and then logs. This will output the logs that have been printed to the screen. So you've got all the proxy logs here, and then you've got the DB logs. So it'll output all of the logs here to the screen. So that's everything for deploying the app. That's an app deployed. Next, we're going to practice what we do if we make changes to the app.